Hello friends, welcome to Apna Olympiad. Today we are going to perform an experiment. We will try to burn a paper with the help of convex lens. We are using convex lens. Friends, we are now going to perform an experiment. So we have taken convex lens. We are going to focus on the paper. Let's see if it is burning or not. Friends, you can see the smoke is coming out and the paper is started burning. Friends, now you can see the paper is burned by a convex lens. Friends, and now we will try this experiment with magnifying glass. Since magnifying glass is also a convex lens, so let's start. Friends, you can see the smoke is coming out. The paper is start burning.